Hello friends, once again welcome to Wisdom Capital Market Update. Today is 25 May 2021. Let's watch the day's event and major developments of the day. In which sector there was positive sentiments and in which sector there was negative sentiments. Today Indian market closed marginally up with mixed global market cues. Due to less number of corona cases, on the other side there is some indications that there could be some strong earnings may be reported by the companies. Nifty today made a high of 15,293.85 and low of 15,163.4 and closed at 15,208.45 with a gain of 10.75 points. Sensex made the high of 50,961.35 and low of 50,474.34 and closed at 50,637.53. That means 14.37 points down. Global indices were trading with bullish buys. Dow future is trading up 69 points. Asian markets were trading with bullish sentiments. Nikkei closed up 0.67%. Hang Seng closed up 1.82%. Shanghai closed up 2.4%. European markets were trading with mixed sentiments. FTSE DAX CAC trading at flat levels. Let's check today's important news. Today buying was seen in stocks like Britannia, Asian Paints and Title, and selling was seen in HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, Reliance. Crude update. Brent crude was trading at $68.1 per barrel, that is 0.4% down, and WTI crude was trading at $65.65 per barrel, that is 0.62% down. India reported 1,96,427 corona cases on 24 May 2021, which is less than approximately 2.5 lakhs last reported numbers. European markets and US markets are trading with flat sentiments. Today's large cap top gainers are Asian Paints, Titan, JSW Steel, Eicher Motors, Britannia, Bajaj Finserv, Tata Consumer, TCS, ONGC, Tata Steel. On the other hand, large cap top losers are HDFC Bank, HDFC Life, Axis Bank, Reliance, Coal India, IndusInd Bank, HDFC, Adani Ports, ITC, Kotak Bank. Let's check the commodity market quickly. Gold is trading bearish, silver bearish, crude bearish, natural gas is trading flat, nickel is trading bearish, lead is trading bearish, zinc is trading bearish, copper is trading bearish, aluminium bearish. Now let's move to agro commodities. Soybean oil, coriander, jeera, gorgum, gor seed, castor seeds are trading bullish. On the other hand, turmeric, mentha oil, chana is trading bearish. Let's check the chart of Nifty. Nifty futures has next immediate resistance is at 15,257.7 and support is at 15,148.8. Bank Nifty futures today closed down 0.5%. Next immediate resistance for the Bank Nifty is at 35,378.73 levels and support is at 34,586.73 levels. Stocks to watch for the tomorrow are the following: Berger Paints India, BPCL, Burger King, Cummins India, LT Foods, Manappuram Finance, Pfizer. All the stocks are due to report their quarterly numbers. Now, important news updates. Bajaj Electricals Q4 result is out. Net profit at 54.26 crore rupees. EPC segment loss narrows. India's GDP to grow at 1.3% in March quarter. Banks to offer lowest rate on educational loan and car loans. Let's check the stock hitting 52-week high and low. Here is few stocks which hit 52-week high. Acrisil Limited, Adani Green Energy Limited, Adani Transmission Limited, Balaji Amines Limited, Balakrishna Industries Limited, BSE Limited, Dalmia Bharat Limited, Deccan Cements Limited, Graphite India Limited, IDFC Limited and HPCL. Now, few stocks which hit 52-week low, that is SMC Global Securities Limited. So that's it for today. We will meet again tomorrow with some latest update on stock market. Stay connected, stay tuned, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for our latest updates. Thanks for watching the video.